Guys and gals, in this video I'm going to show us how to download our symbol creation template from Schoology. First of all, there's a new folder that's been added down here in the bottom called Graphic Design Illustrator. Click on that to open the folder. Inside the folder we're going to go to the Adobe Illustrator symbol assignment. This first computer usage slideshow piece was the one we showed yesterday. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this Adobe Illustrator symbol assignment. And then we're going to click on the Adobe Illustrator symbol assignment in there, the actual assignment page in the folder. Down here in the bottom there is a symbol creation template. Click on that. It's going to download it in our toolbar. I have two of them because I've done that already once today. So there's another one in my toolbar. Make sure you're in Google Chrome, by the way. And then I come over here to Restore Down. Click on that. It makes it a window. If yours isn't a small window, you can click and move the edges to make it so you can see the left hand side. And the left hand side is important for me because I want to be able to access my H drive. Now lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to click down here from our download that we just got, drag and drop that into my H drive. Once I release it, I'm going to double click in just to make sure it's going here. One of the things that I have done is I had made a 6th grade IT folder in my H drive because mine's a little cluttered and messy. You can do that if you want to. If you do that, you also want to click and drag and drop that into your 6th grade IT folder. Now, to make a folder, all you have to do is do a right click and then a new and then a folder. And it will add that there. You can name it. I'm going to hit delete because I've already got one of those. And I don't need that folder to be around. Yes, I want to delete it. Now, once I have that in my 6th grade IT folder, I can open it up, which will open Illustrator, and then do a File, Save As, which will allow me to rename it. And we want to name this, just typing, our hour. So if your hour 1 would be 1, your login, last 5, first 5, and then middle initial, 00, and we're calling this symbol creation, or the name of the assignment. Hit save. It will change the name after I hit OK here of that, so we can see I have a few tabs opened up. You'll only have one, so it'll be over here on the left hand side. But you'll be able to see then that your name has been changed there and it's appropriate. So, symbol creation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that helps. Have a good day.